Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make halal miso soup. First, let's understand the key components. Halal miso soup requires careful selection of ingredients, especially the dashi and miso paste. We'll focus on using permissible items, ensuring no alcohol is present in any part of the preparation. This guide will help you create a delicious and compliant soup. The foundation of great miso soup is a flavorful dashi. For a halal version, we'll use kombu seaweed and dried shiitake mushrooms. Place these in about 4 cups of water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes to extract their umami. Then, gently simmer the mixture for 10 minutes before straining out the solids, leaving you with a rich, clear broth. Now, let's bring it all together. Take about 2 tablespoons of your chosen halal miso paste and gently dissolve it into a small amount of the warm dashi before adding it back to the main pot. Then, introduce 4 ounces of cubed silken tofu and some freshly sliced scallions. Heat the soup gently for about 2 minutes, being careful not to let it boil, which can diminish the miso's flavor. Your homemade halal miso soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm in your favorite bowls, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra fresh scallions or a dash of shichimi pepper for a little kick. It's a comforting and wholesome dish perfect for any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those durable darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.